Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your watch history on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, go to Settings and Privacy at the bottom. And if you scroll down, you should come to Activity Center. So you want to click on that. And you should see at the top Watch History. So you want to tap on that. And this will bring up all the videos that you've watched. So in order to delete them, just click on Select on the top right hand side. And you'll have a couple of options here. So you could click on individual ones that you want to delete. Then obviously just select Delete on the bottom right hand side. Or you can also select all watch history on the bottom left. So you just click on there, and that will give you all the videos that you've watched to delete. So that's how you can delete your watch history on TikTok. Thanks for watching.